Let's cook baked macaroni. So here are the ingredients: elbow macaroni, ground pork or beef, spaghetti sauce, cheddar cheese, Eden cheese, flour, butter, evaporated milk, bell pepper, hot dogs, onion, garlic, sugar, salt, black pepper, oregano, and basil. Please subscribe to our channel. So, heat oil, fry the hot dogs, and set aside. Heat oil again, saute the onion, garlic, basil, oregano, bell pepper, and black pepper. Add the ground pork, season with oyster sauce and salt. Add the spaghetti sauce or tomato sauce or paste and bring to boil until consistency is reached and the sauce is cooked. Add back the hot dogs to the thickened sauce and set aside. Heat the pan and melt the butter in a medium heat. Add the flour and stir well to a smooth paste. Add black pepper. Add gradually the milk and whisk to prevent lumps. Add a quick melt and Eden cheese, whisking regularly until melted and cook. Till the sauce is thick and spreadable. Combine the macaroni and the sauce. Toss until combined well. Grease the baking dish. Transfer the macaroni and spread cheese sauce on top, covering all the pasta. Bake in 240 degrees centigrade for 40 minutes or until hot and bubbly. Remove from the oven and cool for 15 minutes before serving. So here is our baked macaroni. Thank you for watching. Till our next video. Please subscribe to Brighter Life.